Welcome to Darlington Driving Lessons. Follow the signs number 1. Starting off in Monkman Road. 1 in 5 driving tests will be asked to follow signs instead of sat-nav. In this series we're going to take a look at some of the routes that we might use. So following the signs to Teesside. Some junctions don't have road signs on them, so just keep following the road ahead. If you forget where you're going, you can always ask the examiner what road you're following. So that here we see the sign saying Teesside is off to the right, car garage on the right hand side, so we can't indicate or move over too early. Once we've checked the mirrors and made sure it's safe, we can move into the right hand lane. If you're interested where people go on the driving test in Darlington, then have a look at Darlington driving test routes in the top right hand corner of your screen now. As we move forward onto the traffic lights, we just move to the right and point your nose in the direction that we're going and about level with the island opposite us. And we're just going to wait for a safe gap in the traffic. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive. So we can see by the sign, Teesside is straight ahead. Follow the signs for the south. You can see by the sign it says south in the right hand lane, so we've checked the mirrors and moved over. We need to be in the right hand lane. This lane will split into two in a second or two. There we are, splitting into two. Look at the road markings, because this will tell you that you're in the correct lane. There you are, A66 south in the right hand lane. Just be aware of people using the left hand lane to go all the way around the roundabout, which does happen. We can now see that we've got a black car on the left hand side. This is where checking the left hand mirror will come in really handy, just making sure where that black car is going. So we haven't been told anything, so we're still following the signs for the south. So we can see it's straight ahead at the roundabout. If you have a comment or a question about the video, then leave it in the comments section below. Follow the signs for Herworth. As we see by the sign, Herworth is off to the left, so we're telling people that we're going off to the left. This is where you have to be really careful with watching the road signs, because the next sign for Herworth is hidden within the bushes, and it's very difficult to see, especially with the sun in your eyes, as we have in this instance. So just as you come round the corner, the sign is on the left hand side. There we are. Can't see it very well, but it's just circled now. If you'd like to see more videos about how to drive around Darlington safely, then click on the link in the top right hand corner. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive.